Hello, everyone. So my name is Mark. We're going to be trying something on LDS.org or churchofjesuschrist.org so that you have one notebook on your phone, accessible on your tablet or on your laptop, so that you can use it to review the key scriptures for this semester. Then I will show you how you can use the links on the Canvas assignment page, how to highlight and create notes in submitting your assignments. So let's get on to this. Write your answer in the form of a note in your scriptures on churchofjesuschrist.org next to those verses and copy your response into Canvas here. So how do you do that? There are two ways. One, if I already had the scripture open, or at least the website for the church, click on this corner right here and find 86. So I can scroll down like this, or I can just click on 80 right there, and it will skip all the way there. Click on that, and then here it is. Highlight one or two or three, or even the whole entire set of verses. And then you can mark them. But look, we need to be able to sign into our churchofjesuschrist.org account. So this is our church account. And in case you haven't yet, then you can click on this link right here that says, how do I get an account? I currently have an account, so I'm going to click on sign in. It's going to bring up my sign in page right here. And I already have my little passwords ready. So I'm going to put in my username, then my password, verify it. And then after that, it should go back to the scripture that you were looking at. See? So you know that you're signed in and ready to take a note when you see all these options here. We're going to highlight one or more verses. Then we're going to go over here to this one that looks like a piece of paper and a pencil writing on it. When you hover your mouse over it, will say note. Click on that and it will highlight it for you, and then create this little pop-up right here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to say lesson 1, prelude to the restoration, apostasy, prophecy, and precondition. And then right here, you can edit using all these different functions, bolding it, italicizing your work, underlining it, creating bullet points, even using a number list or adding in a link. Undo, redo, different things like that. So say, for example, it says in this question, comment on at least 3 specific elements that you find interesting and significant. So if I'm going to be here, I would add a number list by clicking on this and then write down one thing that I find interesting in this scripture is, and then the second thing, and then 3. This way you have everything nice, lined up, typed out for you to go from one thing to the next. Now, what does it say here at the end of question 1? It says, copy your response into Canvas here. You're going to go to this note that you just made, and you're going to come here. You're going to type in question 1, and then right underneath it, you copy and paste what you put down in that little note from your account onto Canvas. And then that's it. You go along and you answer the other questions using the different links, lesson manual quotes, and that's how you would complete your assignment. But just going in, say question 2, question 3, and there you go. And you submit it, and there you go. Now, on this side, you want to save whatever you put, and you want to have them all in one place. So what we do is we add to notebook. So I'm going to put religion. And look, I already made one for this occasion. But what if I wanted to add a new one? Then all I need to do is type it in religion 225. And then I click new, add new. But there you go. See now that it has a little bubble right there? It shows you that this note is now saved to your notebook under religion 225. how do I get to my notes? Well, here. So we're going to go down to Gospel Library. What you want to do is go all the way down if you want to look at your notes. One, it'll show you the note that you just made and the scripture that you commented on or highlighted. I can just click on this and type in more information. And that way you can even type in background and different things like that that you think will be helpful for you in talking about these scriptures. If you want to look at your specific notebook, you go right here. So we're going to click on notebook and see now that I have them already made. I can click on them and it will show all of the notes and highlights that I've made under this notebook. If I want to create a notebook from here, is to look at these two. You can edit a notebook or you can add a new notebook. So say if I was also taking Religion 390R, which the Welches are also teaching this semester on the parables of Jesus, I would put in the title, click on the little check, and then from there, I should be able to find it right there. See, I just have to scroll down, but I can now click on it. Even if, for example, I started from here and add new note to notebook. See, and it's the same process. You have something right here that you can go to, and you can even see, for example, if you had my setup right here, you can click the scripture from Canvas, go from there, highlight what verses you want, and copy them over. See, this way, you can even save your class notes all in one place. You can work on them both on your computer, work on your laptop, work on your tablet, on your phone. And so that way you can have them across different devices.